Hi guys, it's me again, your last princess, and for today's video is nandito tayo sa Caraga State University main campus. At anong ginagawa namin dito guys? Sasakay kami ng rides. It's because this week is their LCO days. I'm with Hannah. So let's go. First yard, first well, here we go. Let's go. Walay handok-handokan. Uy, cute kaya mo ko. Like, Ikol ba ka? Ikol ba ako? Air nyo ko, air. Dapat ikol. Oh, lisod po, nagaraan naman eh. Lahat makano. Dapat siya. Pag-ana, kailain lang mo lang. Nalidot mo lagi. Ayan, nagdala ka. Ana, nakasawin. Pag-ano? Pinawin, kinangurog ka. Ay, no reaction. No reaction. No reaction. Pag mo daw niya, murag mapili yung ano na yun sa ubon. Wait lang. Wala nang kuhan. Bigay mo ang hagpas mo din. Hindi man nato yan na doon. Ay! Dapat no reaction ha? No reaction. No reaction. Doon, mag-siya. Huwag naman saan, magkuyon ako. Dili na to. Grabe baka kutan. Kaya mo na ako ka lang isa ko. Gano'n rin sa kaita. Buli-buli na ba? Wala rin na ka. No reaction. No reaction. Ay! Ayan na! Ay, ayaw ka na ako. Marami pa naman. Tapos sa kong bato. Outfit check. We're going to SESU. Nagkabang ako ni Joe. SESU.
Day in life as a SESU student.
Yeah.
Night event edition.
It's day 3. Day 3 na siya.
Actually, it's still day 1 since Carno opening and ang parade. And we're late.
Time check. It's 9 a.m. in the morning, and we're heading to the campus.
We're at the university. Init. Ang init, best.
Ano na siya? Isa-isa. Akong kuhaan. Nagdila isisisi yung day. Kaulat mo sa ako ko. Hi guys, we're currently here at SSU main campus and super duper laay kaya we plan to mag Q&A with Noemi. Noemi is Noemi is a first year student, a psychology student here, and we're gonna ask a question about grabe journey, first year pa. Wala, we're gonna do like chika because the place, the environment is so laay. Wala ko kasabot og halo-halo siya or sinabuan. So my first question to you, dear psychology student here. So akong question sa iya is what's been the most challenging part of a college life for you so far? Nice question.
Siguro, first week na ako here sa SSU. First din ako na-feel no kay it's different kay layo siya sa balay. And then you won't feel any warmth, especially if wala kay ka-close sa boarding house. Ma-homesick ka. And then the feeling of like for me ka out of place sa mga circle of friends because again you don't know anyone, like you're a completely stranger. Okay, life update. Naaming sa field. Puro kasakayan na guys. Kung sa mga makasakayan na. And we're currently eating something.
Halo-halo pero
Drinking?
it feels like
Is it drinking?
worship.
But it's more like a sabaw. You know, sopas. Life as a college student, walay klase. May event pero masyag wala. It doesn't look like it.
Guys, nice kaya mag-school sa SSU, like for real.
I don't recommend.
We,
Walay gwapo guys.
guys, promise, it's really good.
Gwapa daghan.
She is from SSU main campus and I'm from SSU Kabadbaran campus. Same armig like school pero lahi-lahi nga place.
Brunch.
Something inana. Pero like connect raman Japon siya kay kung na event diri nampoy like participants dito, diba?
Oh my god. Kato mo tong sangka.
Guys, what's the feeling of being a college student? train.
Ayun ako pag college guys. I don't recommend. Mas importante ka pa ng diskarte.
Or lahira sa feeling maka-experience kag may mukhang student sa college student. It's different. Lahira dyan siya sa high school, sa senior high, like totally different.
Ano na video? Kapoy. Success. Nakasakay sa Ferris wheel. Walang nag-under. Walang nag-under ang Ferris wheel.
I'm eating hauchi. Hala, ano mo slide ka? I'm eating hauchi, guys. Ala, kawalit. Lang. Ayaw niya talaga. Guys, buy na mo namin siya sa Sassy Cheesy. It's really lamig. Very, very super duper. Unsa ni ako kita ante? Unsa ni? Paan? Chocoloko. Chocoloko. Pancake na chocoloko. $120 lang. Thank you, Ate. Dato na ka, bunker sa umaga. Ay, mag-part-time sa day. Dito, dapat tayo patulak na ha, sir. Grabe.
Naman na.
Sagat na sagat na. Nanibira pa niya. Dapat tayo patulak, sir.
Kaya, wala pa naman nila. Ang nanglipitan, walang pamuhaw. Sir, tama na ang pagpapakunog ka.
Um,